everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we will make Namul, or a seasoned Korean radish. Korean radish is a very versatile vegetable in Korea. It is an essential ingredient in soups, stews, side dishes, kimchi, bibimbap, and also for making a base broth for various dishes. You can cook it or eat it raw. Korean radish has sweet and spicy taste, and when it's cooked, it becomes sweeter. Monomer is also an essential side dish for traditional ceremonies and festivals. Please subscribe my channel. Subscribing costs nothing. It's not like subscribing magazines or newspapers. So please subscribe. Thank you. Peel the radish skin with a potato knife. Though the peel is nutritious, I'd like to remove it, worried that there is any soil left on the peel. First, cut the large radish vertically, then slice them into half-moon shapes. If it's too thin, it will become mushy when cooked. If it is too thick, it will be hard to chew. Please julienne them into proper thickness. I know proper is a very tricky word. Heat the skillet over medium heat and add oil. When the pan is ready, add in the julienned radish. Sprinkle half teaspoon of salt and stir them well. When the radish becomes translucent, pour 1/3 cup of water and stir more. I use water considering vegans, but you can use anchovy broth or carrot broth to make it more tasty. Lower the heat and cover the pan. Cook for 3 more minutes. Uncover and taste one. Make sure it is your favorite texture. Add in the perilla powder and sesame oil and mix them well. Continue to simmer for a few more minutes over very low heat until half of the liquid evaporates. Remove the heat. Transfer munamul to a plate and sprinkle sesame seeds.